Okay, crazy birds are at it again. I'm trying to get them. Can you see them? I'd have to walk over there to see the crazy dance. But this is what I'm talking about. When something is gonna happen, the birds do their crazy dance. And like it happened yesterday, but nothing crazy happened here in Illinois. But I heard there was several tornadoes that hit in Indiana, and the birds were in that direction yesterday. Today they're in the southwest, and I believe they just landed, so it should be shortly where it's gonna happen somewhere. All right, bye.